Okay, this is a bare minimum. Why are you doing that? Smell good, we want to smell fresh. That's dramatic, babe. But like, low-key, I'm dramatic, okay? Like, that's my second name. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anati, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a what is in my emergency kit bag for back to school. This isn't only limited to school because I feel like you can also use this bag anywhere else and it would be useful in other situations. I just wanted to put this video out for you guys because I feel like it would be helpful to watch. Be that girl that has everything and that's like organized. That's what we want to be, okay? But before we get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Follow my socials down below. Let's get straight on into the video. So I'm gonna show you guys what my emergency kit bag looks like. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. Obviously it's pink because duh, my favorite color, but this is kind of what it looks like. I got this bag off Amazon. I will link it down below because you guys know I buy everything off Amazon. You should know this. It's like this nice material as well. It's very cute. It looks quite small, but it's actually quite big. Don't get like a smaller pouch because I feel like then, girl, what are you gonna fit in there? This is it on the inside, just a little glimpse of the stuff that I have in here. So the first thing that I have is, girl, this cute little sanitizer. Girl, get some sanitizer because schools are so dirty. Y'all don't know. Okay, we all know this, but like, I know the pandemic is over, but girl, we still need to be clean. Like, schools are so dirty. Like, girl, that many kids in one place. No, it's nasty. Literally all these stuff that I have on here I got off Amazon, so I will link them down below as well. But I got this strawberry kind of scented alcohol sanitizer. Kills 99.9% of germs, contains aloe vera for soft skin, leaves skin smelling fresh. It's like, you know, a lot of people touch a lot of things and germs just transfer, and I'm a bit of a germaphobe, okay? So I don't really it's not my thing, okay? But regardless, I just feel like this is very, very useful. So cute. The next thing that I have is some deodorant. You don't want to stink, okay? I'm that girl that always smells good. I'm proud to say that, okay? Girl, you have to be that girl that always smells good because we don't want to be nasty, okay? This is a bare minimum. This is a bare minimum, okay? We can't be stinky, especially like if you're someone that does sports. You want to have this with you all the time because you gotta reapply, girl, because it's good for everyone. It's good for you, it's good for the people around you. This is the Dove Stick deodorant. I love this. I've actually had one before this and I got it. I never went back. It is new because I recently like restocked on all these stuff, mainly because of this video. And I love using stick deodorants because I just feel like they work best on me. But obviously if you prefer gel or spray, you know, use whatever you want. This comes in clutch. You can go to like any grocery store and go to the travel size section and you can get anything in mini like sizes so they can fit in your bag. Next thing that I have is some chewing gum. You already know, okay? I'm that girl that always has chewing gum, but one thing I will say, y'all, keep your chewing gum to yourself, okay? Don't make the mistake of telling other people you have it because why are you doing that? Why? You're gonna go with this and you're gonna leave with nothing, babe. If someone asks you, if someone sees you chewing and they're like, oh, can I have some? You shouldn't be like, oh, it's finished, or just be like, oh, it's not mine, I got it from someone else, okay? And if the person asks who, you're too desperate, babe. Like, calm down, okay? It's only chewing gum. Go get your own. So I got this extra white bubble mint flavored chewing gum. I would buy the strip ones. I just wanted to buy this just for this video and just so that I can have a visual kind of way to show you guys. But I would usually get strip ones just because once again they are smaller, so it's like easier to, and like these like are really like, you know, so it's like, girl, you're literally good smelling breath. But also if you're just like bored or hungry, one thing I do notice is that chewing gum makes me hungrier like after having it, but in the moment, like, I like the taste. All mints as well. Don't only be relying on these to have good breath. Brush your teeth. The next thing that I have is this cute little mini mirror. Y'all, how is this not the cutest thing ever? Period. But you always have to make sure you're looking on fleek, like just like if you want to check your makeup, check your edges, check your lip liner, like, because I have to reapply my lip liner because cute. Sometimes you can't always go to bathrooms, so you know, come in clutch. The next thing that I have is perfume. Okay, once again, we want to be those girls that are always smelling good. Okay, we want to be what? Yeah, we always need to smell fresh. You want to have just like a little cute mini perfume, you know. It doesn't have to be anything extra. Like, you can get it from, like, I don't know, Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret Pink, like anything like that. Just like those cute mini ones. I'm gonna show you guys on the screen what I'm talking about, and other like mini sprays that I would recommend. Like, this is giving Sol de Janeiro one. So this is the Hawaiian Tropic Golden Paradise Fragrance Mist. This literally smells almost like the Sol de Janeiro one. It's warm sand and creamy coconut. I love this scent so much, and you guys know you can trust me on scents because I'm a scent girly. I'm a perfume girly at heart. So cheap too, like it wasn't super expensive. It smells amazing. Like, it literally smells almost like the Sol de Janeiro one, and my sister has that, so I know what that smells like. Get this, it smells so good. Those are the vibes that we're going for. Okay, Hawaiian Tropic actually has so many like different ranges of scents and stuff that are like this cute mini bottle, and you can get different ones, but I would definitely recommend this one. It smells so good, and you're gonna be, it's, how I would describe it is like, it just smells fresh. Like, you just smell clean and fresh. Then the next thing that I have is very obvious, okay, for my girls, whether you use pads or tampons or I don't know, like menstrual cups or anything. But if you take anything from this video, is to always have these with you, just in case. Like, I do use like a period tracking app, but that can be a little inaccurate sometimes, so don't just rely on that. Definitely always make sure you have these on you. Then the next thing that I have is Aquaphor, because I've seen everyone rambling on about it and I haven't actually gotten to getting it until now. I have it, I love it. I definitely will be getting it again. I get the hype, I definitely do, and I used it on my skin this morning and my skin was looking absolutely amazing. Like, I was like, should I just not wear makeup at all? Like, I'm just wearing concealer now, so like the rest is like my skin, and it's giving glowy. Like, or you can have like a mini Vaseline tub just to make sure you're not ashy throughout the day. I'm dark skinned, it just shows so much more if I'm ashy, and it's just, oh. The next thing that I have is some painkillers. Okay, you always want to make sure to have these, and if you know that you get like really bad cramps, or you know they can just come like anytime, make sure to have this. That's definitely one thing for me, because I'm like, I can like just have finished my period and I will have cramps after. Like, it kind of doesn't make sense, but it does happen to me sometimes, so always make sure to have these. The next thing that I have is my little spoolie. I have quite bushy eyebrows, as you can tell. Like, these are my eyebrows, like not tinted, nothing, they're just very thick and bushy, so they do get quite misplaced, and I always have to like put the gel on them and like brush them up throughout the day and like redo it, mainly because they just always fall out of place, and it's like, girl, what are you doing? So if you're a girly that can relate, or just like your eyebrows always need doing throughout the day, definitely getting a spoolie or like an eyebrow gel. The next thing that I have is lip gloss. I recently obviously got these off Amazon. I've been wanting to try these because I've only had like the NK ones, and I just really wanted to try these out. I actually prefer these, I really like them. I got them off Amazon really cheap. I got the shea butter lip gloss, mango butter lip gloss, and the vitamin E lip gloss. I definitely am those girls that like reapplies their lip products. Then the next thing that I have is lip balm, okay, lip moisturization. Okay, so I have this Vaseline lip therapy. Then I have this Comex. I'm not always wearing lip gloss. Sometimes I do prefer to moisturize my lips because I feel like lip gloss is like almost a layer and it doesn't actually moisturize your lips. And sometimes I just don't want to apply lip gloss, and I'll just, yeah, always make sure to have something to moisturize your lips because chapped lips is not a look. The next thing that I have is some hair ties. I usually have my hair in braids, so I feel like these would be really useful just in case like I want my hair up. The next thing that I have is my charger. Okay, I probably wouldn't have this in this pouch. I would have it in my bag. My phone always has to be charged because generally can you survive without your phone? Then the next thing I have are my AirPods. I love music and I'm always that girl that's like listening to music, and some lessons like may not allow you to listen to music, or some schools may not allow you to listen to music at all, but I do feel like it's good to have these. So then the next thing that I have is just a cute little band-aid, or you could have like a mini first aid kind of kit. Y'all might think like, Uneri, that's dramatic, babe. Low-key, I'm dramatic, okay? Like, that's my second name. If you have like a paper cut or something, like, do you really want to be walking around with that all day? An open wound, it's not giving. And it might be just a tiny one. I mean, a tiny one, I guess, not that deep, but if you're bleeding, like, for me this would really come in clutch, because anytime I would like have a small paper cut, like genuinely I will bleed for like 2 hours straight. Not loads of bleeding, but it would definitely go on for really long. Then the next thing that I have, okay, don't laugh at me, okay? So let me explain myself before y'all laugh. Like, these are wipes. I usually carry wipes with me, or like kind of like the small tissue packs, and I obviously ordered these stuff off Amazon a couple days ago, and basically I thought this was mini size because it didn't look that big on the screen, but it actually came this big, so that's great. But I did just want to add this into the video. Like, having wipes is great, and you can also have like those cute little feminine wipes. I just think that's really necessary, especially if you're on your period, but also to wipe down like any surfaces or anything like that's crusty, musty, and dusty. We don't do that. Last thing that I have is have some money with you. I literally have £1. I had 2, but like literally the other pound got lost. I don't know where it is, so just have some cash with you because you never know when you will need cash. But yeah, y'all, that is literally the end of my emergency kit bag tour video. I hope you guys liked it. If I forgot to add anything, definitely comment down below, because this video is really to help you guys out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Ay. You know how sticky it get. Hold my hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set.